Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're sharing DIY home maintenance tips to help you save money. First up, let's talk about fixing leaky faucets. A simple washer replacement can save you from high water bills. Next, clean your gutters regularly. This prevents water damage and costly repairs to your home's foundation. Don't forget to check your HVAC filters. Replacing them monthly improves efficiency and extends the life of your system. Seal any gaps around windows and doors. This keeps your home insulated and reduces energy costs. Maintain your water heater by flushing it annually. This removes sediment buildup and ensures it runs efficiently. Inspect your roof for damaged shingles. Repairing them promptly prevents leaks and expensive water damage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks to keep your home in top shape without breaking the bank.